We are going to start a new video on Fundamental 2, and today's topic is workflow action Splunk. So what exactly the workflow action is? So it enables a wide variety of interaction between index or extracted field and the other web sources through it. So using it, we can create interaction between the extracted field, index field, or any other specific field which you provide. So generally we use it for like as an input and the field value and provide it to external source so that we can get the interacted value from it. So generally workflow action has a wide variety of applications. There are a few examples like it can through it perform an external WHOIS lookup based on an IP address found in the event. So this IP address will be in the event, whatever search event you will provide, and then we will provide it as an argument to WHOIS lookup on the web. Okay. So similarly, using the field value in the HTTP error event to create a new entry in the external issue management system. Okay. Launch a secondary search that use one or more field values from the selected event. So you can create one more search, like as an argument you can provide a one field to another field and create a search through workflow action. Perform an external search. Also we can perform an external search using Google or similar web search application on the value of a specific field found in the event. So this all action will be performed as an argument. The field will be used, and that argument will be passed to a workflow action as argument. Okay. So these are few examples of it. So I will be taking one of the example for it, and let's see the types of workflow action. So the first type will be get, then post, and search. In today's video we'll be covering get workflow action. So let's see what it says. So get workflow action creates a typical HTML link to things like perform Google search or on a specific value, or run a domain name query against an external WHOIS database. So this we can achieve through get. That simply means we are getting some information from outside the Splunk, the external WHOIS database. So let's see how it will look like. So I have already created one of the field. Let's see how it look like. You need to go to this arrow mark to see the workflow action. So here it will be. So you can see get info. If I click over here, it will go to another tab, where the WHOIS database is there. I have configured everything in it, so we'll see how it is configured. Just I want to show you how it will look like. Okay, so for now we'll close it, and let's move how to create this. Okay, so from the settings you need to go to fields. I'll open it in a new browser. Fields. Now you can see here this tab. Click over here, and you will go to workflow action. Now here, click on new. Once you click on new, there will be a configuration tab will come. Okay, so I'll show you how to create a get, post and search. There will be a single option to create this. Just we need to select a get, post or search. So the destination app, you need to select destination app, where should it should run. The name, generally you give it with everything, you give it with the underscore, means wherever the spaces are there, so you use it underscore. It's better hyphen underscore, give it without space. Label, again I will take it as this, and I'll be using a from the field, I'll be using the IP field as a source IP. So here is the source IP, where I'm using the WHOIS command for the source IP. So you need to give it in the $src underscore IP. Okay, applied field. So search underscore IP, applied only event. So I'm keeping it as blank. We can keep it as blank. Now there will be a few options like show in action field, event menu, field menu, or both. So for now I will be keeping it as event menu by default. So action will be link, search, whatever you want to. So generally in search it will be search, and post and get it will be link. Now URL. So this is the URL where you need to call the external environment and get the input. Like you can see it over here. You can search. You can create a Google search for this. I have already created this configuration, so I will take this. The URL will be who is HTTP who is IP address, and then with the dollar you need to give the IP address. So here one more option in the new window, open in the new window, or you can use in the current window as well. So the next thing will be this is the thing where you need to define get, post, or search. So get post will come with the link when you are using link over here, and whenever you change it to search, it'll automatically goes. It will by default consider it as a. So you need to save it. Once you save it, you can see over here demo, but I need to check whether it will come right now. I think we need to restart a system once to get it reflected over here. So you need to click here, and then let's see, it is not coming. So I need to restart the system. So let's restart once. I will restart. So it will take time. So it is restarted successfully. I'll go to search, add my search over here, whatever search was there, run the search, click on the drill down, go here, let's see, maybe it is taking a little bit time. It has not come here. Let's see what is the problem. Oh, I think I have created it private, that's why it is not showing up here. Let's see, I made it public to all the application. No, it is still not showing here. So let's see the configuration part. Apply only to the following field src. Demo menu. No, should not come like this. Let's see. Yeah, I have done a mistake that I have used it with the dollar sign. Should not use the dollar sign. I guess that is the problem. Let's see if gives, otherwise I need to again restart the system. Restart the Splunk, not the system. Okay, it has not come. Let me restart once again. So it has restarted. Let's see, now it should work. Yeah, it's demo, get info demo. Now the IP address is taken from the source IP field. So if you click over here, it will go to next window. I'll provide you the input. Okay, from the WHOIS database. So hope this this helped you to understand workflow. So let's recap the session. So what we have learned today, so it's all about workflow action where we can interact by the field to external source, or can provide can do the search using the fields. So there are a few examples are there. We can use a WHOIS command, we can use HTTP error, we can use a secondary search, and also we can do the external searches as well. Okay, so there are three types of workflow actions are there: get, post, and search. So about a get workflow action, create a typical HTML link to do things like perform Google search on a specific value, or run a domain name query against external WHOIS database, which we have seen in the demo. So the configuring it, so we need to pass the information to external world from the event. So this specific source IP, we have passed it and we have used it, and this will look like in event action, it will look like get info and whatever. These are two I have created for demo purpose. One more I have created. So once you click over here, it will go to external source and provide you the output. So that's all about this video. I will create a new video for a post and search workflow action. So thanks for now, and have a good day, and take care.